What?
Oh, Mumu not too much. Oh, Mumu not too much.
Careful. I mean, if you want to shop this one. No, not be only me white town. All of us white town because you not eat now.
What?
Now what for you?
Mumu man.
See the food only you want your carry. You want your sit down to eat.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
I don't know what I do now for this camp.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
I not still eat now. The time when I eat now, I see say I dey talk
You be
for now.
You are a Mumu man.
Everybody, we dey plan. Maybe at times, maybe the reason, maybe the sense of chicken go give our family. This guy, both the shoro wey they do, both all the camp money wey they give our pocket money. Now African food, this guy they take on the buy. My guy, but now what for you? Now
Oh, Mumu not too much.
it concern you.
What?
I be na your money I take on here. If I talk on my money I take buy am.
You are a Mumu man.
Nothing we dey even dey reason about apart from food for this place. Now so you be. So now food now you really carry you call this Europe.
What?
Make una do now, make una let me do my own. I be get una dey find for my body.
You are a Mumu man.
All the your money na food you dey take and dey eat. I never see am one day with girl.
What?
Very dull human being. I see my sister with this kind of person. They can't play when I play her. Eh. Now what for you, cha? Even if I use all my money to shop, you not concern anybody.
You be
Una leave
Mumu.
me abeg. I just got the beg una for this place. Oh. The problem una dey find
You are a
out
Mumu man.
I be not be my belly like chop and put it
be
concern
Mumu.
now. If the day we go make friends for you, you no go concern anybody. Now me go personally handle you. You dey mad, get wetin dey your chest.
What?
I will suppress you. Don't worry, when that day fair come.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
I'm not even sure whether this guy now even Nigeria self. See the way they behave.
What?
I don't know what I do now for you. Women not they let me they drink water, they kick up.
You are a Mumu man.
What I do now? Now because of na come here. Come here there. Say me they let her drink water, keep cup. See the kind of joke waiting they drink water.
Oh, Mumu not too
Come on,
much.
this guy who fed them. Normally, the guys they fight, now they made them they pursue them for camp or they carry them go another place. But this guy now because of food, now me they remove him for camp when he fed them.
What?
We don't know. Camp when he fed them, people they call the complaint. They say if they make banku food pot, they make banku food plate. This guy now only 2 times he go cut, the whole plate go empty.
What?
And if they see they wake up for night, reach 3 times, they go kitchen. They go space that today, for example. Before 3 days, everywhere go empty, no food for us again.
Oh,
That
Mumu
means they
not too
remove am. We
much.
don't know, come here. Not be so you do that day. When all those police, all those questions, when they come here, come they control for here. Then they ask us like, what team they laugh for here, what team may name. Some guys they tell us okay, they need to come put Wi-Fi for us for here. Some come they tell they say which day they want to go commission. Some they talk about work, say they need to they work, or maybe they can't do curriculum for them. Then you add this guy you start to talk say food when they give am, food when they give for camera, they say they burn the food. That's the way this guy come they talk. Now make all those people come call the capo when they take care of us, say make they come let only they go space, only come go they cooking food. They go choro, now food they take and they buy. Fridge when almost 8 people they use. Only you go buy things and we know they see things. Not the same say we know they see any place put things again. This guy go supermarket.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
Really bush person. I know what I go do.
You be Mumu.
It be like say I by myself go question her. May I go report you now?
You think say they wise?
Because all the food when I go to shop for this place, no one they enter my body. Now only let me dey rest.
You are a Mumu man.
Not be me say me una not use una money take eat.
You are a Mumu man.
Okay, money when they pay una, not be up una they take una they carry. If I can't use my own pay, they chop the buy African food. What you can concern now?
You be Mumu.
Make everybody mind the business for this place. You don't tell why they talk out.
You are a Mumu man.
It's Mr. Z. Wake up and feel the vibe.